one. Yeah, their accounting's all fraudulent, but
They don't go by the same
yeah,
principles
their
that we
accounting's
do.
all
So
fraudulent, but
I don't know if it's any influence
go
either,
by
but
the same
there's, I think
their accounting's all
tomorrow Putin
fraudulent,
and
but
Tsai
I
are
don't know if
supposed
it's
to meet
any
too,
influence
right?
either,
So
but there's,
yeah,
I think
their accounting's
tomorrow
I don't know if
Putin
that has any
and
influence on the
Tsai.
stocks.
who's putting the meeting with?
Tsai, the Chinese president. I think I'm saying his name right.
I have no idea, but that's not good.
Yeah.
Xi Jinping. Putin.
That's not a good sign. Wow, look at this short here. Ugh. What a beautiful short. I mean, this is going to 301. If you want to be, if you get in here, you're going to be down a little bit. Because if they reverse it, let me just go back on daily. Oh my God.
Holy shit.
Oh my God, this is going to 300, guys.
No,
This
they just
demand,
had dividends. Yeah.
they just paid them out too.
Yeah.
People are going to dump it. My God, what
God
a
damn
short.
it. Where the hell were you at, KSSN? 3
Oh,
days
what a
ago.
short this was, dude.
Shorty, I just got home, just started recording. If you don't mind, like just going over really quickly, like anything that you've
Yeah,
covered, like ES or whatever.
we
It
can
doesn't have
cover
to be
ES.
in depth, just, whatever.
Yep. So there, somebody took that short. You're up already 15 points here. This is headed now to value area low here, 39.50. So we said if you really need to go above 39, you need to break the zone, come back for retest to go to 4,000. That's 20 points reward you're playing, or you just play this range and we play the structural and the value area low. Pretty much, I think you could have been 10 for 10 today if you played it. Honestly, it was so easy. When I looked at the charts and some of the stuff, it was fairly easy to play this today. So same thing tomorrow. We're just gonna watch this. You see the little shelves where they're gonna accelerate the selling. So, if you really want to wait, well, 39.60 breaks, they're going to accelerate it, probably go here all the way. So if you're playing SPX, you can really, really make some money tomorrow. And then if we break this, of course, we know once you break value area low, you're going to accelerate all the way to the structure here bottom. So you're looking at another 12 points, right? It's a tight range, so you got to be quick on profits. Don't hold for bangers. We had a chance for bangers and we got some. So this is where you just compound quickly. And then I don't know what I pressed, but that's pretty cool. And Q, so there's similar scenario, honestly, like this one. You could play this range here in this value area high, go above it here. Just know you're gonna get maybe hit here on this POC, actually on the VPOC here. And if we break this VPOC, then you have a nice little range here, about 80 points above this. Go to here. You break this previous day value area high. Where do you go? Anyone? Did I lose you guys? Hello?
What's the question?
So if we break this previous day value area high, where are we headed?
You'll see.
Most likely POC, but 80% chance you go to previous day value area low. So we'd watch that tomorrow and then Q. I don't know if we chart a Q or SPY. Do you guys want it? Q SPYs? You guys need it? So there's your structure there. Pretty visible. So what you notice is it's failing to go all the way top, all the way down. So it's really, really choppy now. We really need it to break down. And this last 30 minutes, like I didn't know it was that good. I mean, that's pretty good here. Holy shit. Did anyone catch this? Wow. This is pretty good. It's a good zone here. I would just kind of draw. And pretty good reason to reject there, right? right off the value area high. Bounced off the POC. You guys see this? Okay. For anyone that's new to POC here, you held the POC here. You went up. This here should be buy 9 out of not, well, not 10 out of 10 times you should buy it here. Come back, and then you achieve, you come back here on the value area low. You're in a range. When you're in the range, you buy value area lows, you sell the value area highs. This is where you should short it. So this is pretty good here. And then we can take a look at the bigger picture here. So yeah, this looks like a nice little letter P here. So I would watch for this POC as a rejection. If we get some momentum, this would be a really good short here. I'm not changing colors. I'm trying to do some of this quicker. So just do this. What a disaster here. And that POC is right here. Value area low is right there. So we really need to break this value area low for more blood here. What would this mean if you break this value area low? Does anyone know? Like, how would you translate that for somebody that doesn't know what that means? This is our current week. This is our previous week value area low. Remember, market's always in balance. And if it's out of a value area, what does it do next? Yeah, you're going to go seek new value. And then if you look, your new value would start somewhere around here. You would have 291. So then you would wait for it to enter this value and then retest it, then you short it. Because it's really close here. And that'll be the key levels for Qs here, along with, you have some in between here. But this would be a nice range to play all day. So you have a nice little shelf here you should be aware of. And then you have a nice little shelf here. And now usually when it's something like this, I would draw a little area like that. And then you just pick your short here, get out here, break here, you go to POC, value area low, and play that in between. That's correct, yeah, KSN. There's your SPY. We need to break 396.34, 390.66 for downside. Let's just look at the daily sessions real quick. We're kind of creeping up here. Yeah, so this would be nice here. If you're able to get above this VPOC, I mean, you have to be somewhat quick here. You have about $1 something here. They'll most likely reject here, but if it can reconfirm this area as support, then you have a nice little chance that we go to 400. And the value area high here would be 403, so that'd be good. Target here. This September 13th. Yeah. This looks like a spring here, right here, that they played. It's a nice spring too. So if you go in 5 minutes, it'll look really, really good. You guys see the little hammer candle? This should have been pretty good indication. Red volume, you pushed it all the way up. Once you broke this level, you should have been in it. Target volume here, here, and then you had a supply here. And you could have figured all of this out just simply by doing this. So here, this is a good spot to get out. Reclaim value area low, top, get out. Now you want to watch this here. Yep. Same thing as Q's. It's a good shorting spot, but let's see if they break it, retest, go long. We could definitely short it here. And then if you look at a little bit bigger picture here. Let's see where the wick is. So if they're able to, let's say, break this tomorrow, 396.34, this might be a really good opportunity short. Yeah, there's a nice little shelf here. On that sell-off, you guys see it? Somebody offloaded here. Yep, and then we cover Tesla. So this is Tesla here. If you want to go above, you want to go here. You have a little bit of range here to value area high. You have about $7. I would not play the 313. This is a no trade zone. Unless we break above it here, then you could drive it to 330 here. But telling you, you want to get out of Tesla at 330 if it gets there for some reason. Otherwise, you catch it at 206. What else did we cover? AMD. There's AMD levels. Right here. NVIDIA we covered. I don't think we did a pretty good job there. What else did we have? We had DPZ we were pissed about. I don't know where it went. Oh, there it goes. Yeah, it's probably had a 300. Domino's Pizza's had a 300. So that's what we were mad about. I think we covered snow. Oh, it's kind of no man's land here. Yeah, I mean, unless it gets to 221, I would not touch it. It's nowhere right now. Then we covered net, I believe. I think we set some alarms for this one.
Net.
I put net. I think we might have deleted that. Ideally, I mean, it'd be good here if you can get it on a break of, I think we had 62 something. $61.5 if it's able to break that retest, and then if you have a little bit of room, we entered a gap at 62.73. I think that was what we talked about earlier. and then you have a room. I think we said 65-ish. $64.5, yeah. And this is where selling. You guys got me scared that it's a good company now. That was that. I think we talked about Meta shares. 144, 134. What else? Shop. That was shop levels. POC is fairly strong here. So I bounced off of this one. Now has this level here over it. Retest, probably long. 35 over that. 33.73. You could go to 35 here. And then if that breaks, has a high chance here to go to value area high. I think that's it. Maybe we covered more, but I think that's it. I think Google is really good, guys. This is setting up for something's gonna come up on Google right now. All right, guys. I think that's it for me. I'll be live tomorrow. We'll go find some trades if they come up to us. If not, we'll sit still. All right, guys. I'll post the ES charts and a couple of key ones for you guys. So catch you guys tomorrow.
Thanks.
Have a good evening.
All right, bye,
Take
guys.
care.
Thanks, Shorty.